APIs and AI agents. You have heard both terms everywhere, but they are completely different. Understanding this difference will change how you think about building software. So let's break it down. Let's start with APIs, Application Programming Interfaces. Think of an API as a waiter in a restaurant. You look at a menu with specific options, make your order, and the waiter brings exactly what you asked for. APIs work the same way. When you send a request to an API, you are saying, give me this data or do this action. Real example could be when you check the weather on your phone, the app makes an API call to a weather service. It requests, give me the temperature for New York, and gets back 72 degrees. It is simple and predictable. The key is APIs are deterministic. You ask for A, you get A. Every time they follow explicit instructions and don't make decisions. But AI agents are completely different. Think of AI agents as personal assistant with autonomy. They are not a waiter. You don't give step-by-step instructions to them. You give it a goal. Say, plan a vacation to Japan, and the agent figures out how. It searches flights, compares hotels, checks visa requirements, creates an itinerary, all without you specifying each step. AI agents have three key traits. Autonomy. They make decisions without constant input. Second is tool use. They can call APIs, search the web, read documents, and whatever tools they need. Then there is adaptability. They handle ambiguous requests and adjust their approach. If flight is too expensive, they find alternatives. Agents are problem solvers. APIs are tools that agents can use. Here are the core differences. Number one is intelligence. APIs have zero intelligence. They are sophisticated vending machines. Agents use AI to understand context and reason through problems. Then there is flexibility. APIs fail if you ask something they were not programmed for. Agents attempt to figure it out. And then there is predictability. APIs give the same output for the same input. Agents might solve problems differently based on context. And then there is control. APIs give you complete control. But for agents, you set the goals and guardrails, but they choose the path. Here is the key. Agents often use APIs. A travel agent might use flight APIs, hotel APIs, and weather APIs. They are not competing. They are complementary. When do you use which? Use APIs when you need reliable, predictable results. You are doing a specific, well-defined action, and when speed is critical. Examples could be processing payments, sending emails, or retrieving data. Use AI agents when tasks require multi-step reasoning, or when you need to handle varied inputs, or when the problem needs multiple tools or information sources. Examples could be customer service bots, research assistants, or data analysis tools. Remember, the future is not agents or APIs. It is both working together. APIs provide the building blocks. Agents provide the intelligence to use them creatively. So there it is, the fundamental difference between the APIs and the agents. APIs are your reliable tools for specific jobs. Agents are your autonomous assistants for complex challenges. Understanding this matters because it changes how you approach problem solving. Sometimes you need a hammer. Sometimes you need someone who figures out which tool to use. So when you need a hammer, API is there. But when you need to decide which tool to use, agents are there. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tech content. Comment below, are you building with APIs, agents, or both? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.